Hey, loves. Okay, so basically on Yahoo News, I get on Yahoo because I was gonna go to my Yahoo to sign in, whatever. So of course I wasn't signed in. But anyways, long story short, before I can even get to the email, whatever, it says mysterious hum driving people crazy around the world. And I'm like, okay, first thing that really hit me in my mind was, oh, okay, cool. I think it was about 8 or 9 months ago. Did you guys hear about it was like this loud noise. What was it? What kind of sound was it? Oh, Anna's on the phone too. Say hi, babes.
Yeah, like trumpet noises.
Yeah, they heard trumpet noises coming from the sky. Like, and yeah, so anyways, now it's like this humming noise. It says, quote, it creeps in slowly in the dark of night, and once inside, it's gonna be on YouTube. That's Miriam. My sister got a mask on. Okay, quote by Mark Lelanelia, I think. It creeps in slowly in the dark of night. Once inside, okay, it never goes away. It's supposed to be a steady droning sound, heard in places like Taos, N.M., Bristol, England, and Largs in Scotland. What causes the hum? It only affects a small percentage of the population in certain areas, remaining a mystery. Reports started trickling in during the 1950s from people who had never heard anything unusual before. Suddenly, they would be bedeviled by an annoying low-frequency humming, throbbing, or rumbling sound. So the cases seem to have several factors in common, quote-unquote. Generally, the hum is only heard indoors and is louder at night during the day than during the day. It's also more common in rural or suburban environments. So anyway, I just thought it was pretty, like, interesting, like some kind of mysterious hum going on. What do you think about it, Foofy? Yes, I'm talking to my husband, Amber. Say hey, Foofs.
Hello, YouTube. I don't know. That's pretty strange to me.
Yeah, we got to do some investigating.
The whole thing with the, with the trumpet and stuff that they heard, like,
No, my hair is wild.
Place, huh?
No, I was saying my hair is wild.
What did you say?
No, I said my hair is wild.
Oh, let it be wild.
Okay, so it was on NBC News as well, and MSN, NBC. So yeah, that's what they said. It's just, I don't know exactly what it sounds like though. So who hears the hum? Only about 2% of the people. It's only me neither. It's only about 2% of the people that's living in any given hum-prone area can hear the sound, and most of them, which is weird, most of them are ages 55 to 70. Isn't that interesting? According to a 2003 study.
You said ages 55 to 70?
Yep.
They hear that noise?
Yeah. Most of the people who hear the hum, sometimes referred to as hearers or hummers, describe the sound as similar to a diesel engine idling nearby, and the hum has driven virtually every one of them to the point of despair. Okay, so this is quote unquote from this is quote unquote from like an actual retiree, Katie Jacques of Leeds in England. She said, it's quote, it's a kind of torture. Sometimes you just want to scream.
That's annoying.
It's worse at night, Jacques said. Quote, it's hard to get off to sleep because I hear this throbbing sound in the background. You're tossing and turning and you get more and more agitated about it. So anyway, I thought that was pretty interesting and I don't know, crazy. What's your take on this? Did you guys read this? Do you guys know any other information about it? But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, lovelies. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll talk to you later. Smooches.